Hey guys, welcome to SearchPy app. In this video, we will go over on broken links feature. You can find it on URL's control of sidebar here. Let's get started. A broken link is a link on a web page that no longer works. Broken links are no good to your website, since it leaves a negative impression for visitors, and Google does not favor websites with lots of broken pages either. Our app can help you scan to detect the broken links on your website by paying a visit to our broken link tool. Simply hit the Scan button, and the app will begin the scan process. If you subscribe to our enterprise plan, you can enable the auto-scan and auto-fix modes. Our app will automatically scan your website every day and redirect any broken link it may detect, saving you lots of effort. That's all for now. Seeing you soon in the next tutorial. If you have any other questions, please feel free to let us know. Thank you for watching.